Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to read deleted messages on WhatsApp. So first, you just have to simply go to your settings. If you're using Android, go to your settings and look for notifications and status bar. Tap this manage notifications and then go to app notification, and this time you have to look for WhatsApp. So you can click W or just scroll down to see WhatsApp application. Tap this one and make sure that you have turned on this message notifications. So even if the sender deleted his or her message, once you have allowed this one to turn this one on, then you can see it when you swipe down. The second method is you have or you should back up your messages on your WhatsApp. So to do that, open your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Tap this three dots, go to settings, and then go to chats. Now you have to scroll down and tap this chat backup. Now you should do this every day or you should do this frequency daily. Okay, so in order for you to retrieve or recover deleted messages. So if you haven't done this before the messages, then probably you can see deleted messages. But if you did this method before the deleted messages, then probably you can simply restore or retrieve the deleted messages here in your WhatsApp application. So you need to create a backup here. And then the third method, which is optional because I'm not sure if any of this application is working, but you can try. So you just have to go to your Google Play Store and then look for restore deleted messages on WhatsApp, specifically because you want to use WhatsApp this time. So there you will see tons of applications that you can use, and you can try one and make sure that this one is legit and you can trust the site. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.